So what you see before you here is the remnants of that napkin when you make a Fiona flower and you pull the napkin off. Well, when I pull that napkin off, I put it down and I save it. You'll see more as we go along. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And this week, it's Art by Donna is official. Yep, that's my new handle. So you can find me now at, just put that @ sign. It's Art by Donna, and there I am. Let's see if I can clear this out with a little white. Don't worry, you can still find me at It's Art by Donna M. And let's just see. Let's see what we could do in here. With a little red. That is looking really pretty. As you can see, it's another water marbling day, and you're gonna love what you have here today. Believe me, this is totally out of the box. You know what, it doesn't seem like the Deco Art and the Marble USA play well together, so I'm just going to throw some Deco Art in here, paints, and see how these work together. Let's do that. Got some white in there. Yeah, there we go. And there's some green. Got some nice marble colors in there. Get some pink. Now I'm going back and forth, and that's called a gelget. Look how beautiful that looks. I love the way that looks, just like that. But of course, we're going to be playing around. And we're going to get some of our combs out. And this is the single comb. Or this is a rake, rather. Here's the single. And now I'm getting a 12 by 12 board, Artist Loft, and it's a wood panel, and that's what I'm dipping in here. And I did treat this with alum. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. And I'm just rinsing that with some clear water, just plain old water. Nothing is in it, just plain water. And this dried in about 2 hours. It's pretty dry in California, so things do dry quickly here. So this is a piece from my water marbling. And right here, what you're looking at is an old Fiona napkin that I saved, because you know me, I save everything. And what I did here was I cut it up in a few little pieces, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here with this Fiona napkin. I have a mat, and I'm going to put here, and I have that all measured out. So I'm going to put my little pieces of my napkin in the proper order, in the proper place, that is, over here, so I don't go outside the line. And I think you're really going to love what I'm doing here. So I'm going to start out with this piece, and I'm not gonna worry that it's sticking up, because I want it to look dimensional. I do want this to, I want it to look dimensional. It just so happens, I didn't decide on this earlier, but it just so happens that the colors do match. I guess I must like these colors. So I'm gonna use some clear gel tacky glue on the back here. And I guess when I did my napkin, I must have had it in the back of something that was quite, maybe a piece of cardboard or something, I don't know, but it got stuck to it, but it's okay, because yeah, we're just gonna put it on this board, and it really doesn't matter how it sticks. You might be thinking, why didn't she just get a square piece of glass? Well, everything that you see here today, these are things that I have already. So I didn't go out and buy anything for this project. I just had it here. So when I see something, I decide, oh, I can use it for this, or oh, I can use it for that. I'm not going out. Even this mat, I had this mat here already. I have mats of various sizes, and sometimes I decide, well, I want to use it for that, and that's what happened here today. So yep, that's why we have a round piece of glass and a square mat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm all done with the gluing, and I'm all done with the embellishing. And now I'm going to place my little glass here. And I think how I'm going to do that is I'm going to put some UV resin on and attach that with some UV resin. And that's the UV resin that I have. And it cures pretty fast. Just gonna plug my little machine in here. Make sure everything is lined up properly. Get out my ruler, measure everything, make sure it's right. Put those 4 dots of UV resin down. And voila. All together now. I love that UV resin. And now I'm going to attach the mat the same way. I'm going to use the UV resin on that also. All done for now, but you never know. I may go back in another day and do something else. So I took this piece outside, and here is the final results in the bright light. How beautiful is that? Look at those lines. Look at the vibrancy. Look at the colors. Magnificent. And I did do a little embellishing with a Spectrum Noir pen, the Harvest Moon. Very little embellishing. I think I forgot to put that in there. But look at that. Look at that Fiona napkin. Anyway, this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now. Thank you for coming to Friday with Friends. Don't forget, Nate Bright Art is next. I do hope you visited Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty and Cynthia Porter Studio before me. All links are in my description below. Remember to hit that subscribe button.